Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka menteri ka kot ka kya ka kong amperin lingdo ha ka sngi tho ding kalapan pawe ka jing sngo kya halor ka jingmi ka jingpang polio ka ba Thymmai ka ba tip kum ka wild polio ha ka ni ka jela Meghalaya ha ba kran bat kinong tho khobor ka laong ba ka World Health Organization kadang pendong ka jing toket ka ba Bniah ban pentikna la ka ni ka di shisha ka jingpang ka ba pher kalaong ba hadu menta kidang ap ka jingmi na ki jing test ka menteri ka le thuru balalap sa ka weipat ka jingpang ka ba sriem kum ka ni ka jingpang ha ka weipat ka jela ha ka bakal penpau ke jingdon kam ban tokit Bniah da ka WHO kala banjur ke jingdon kam ban sngo tho ke ni ga Jingpang bat ke jingta jongka nak banta ke jing persyang ban ai dawai hakipor ban wan.
No, so we have already, the DHS research has already given a statement to the media the other day. WHO is now investigating further. Apparently there was another case identified in some other state, if I'm not mistaken, Rajasthan or something, I'm not sure. Now we need to allow the WHO to further investigate. It's called wild polio. It's a different strain of polio to my understanding. However, government of Meghalaya has focused its attention, health department, we are focusing our attention on this child who was likely diagnosed by a likely strain of polio. So we are in touch with the family of the child and under observation, and I have been briefed that child is okay. So now we need to figure out what is this wild polio. We need to figure out whether the WHO will give us further advisories or whether or not there will be a requirement for the institutioning of a new vaccine which will also cover these new strains. I'm told, not a medical doctor, but to my understanding, I think that is what this entire story is all about. After so many decades, they find a new strain of polio. I think it was called the wild polio.
Ma'am, vaccine hesitancy is there. We came to know that vaccine hesitancy is there in parts of the
You see, hesitancy. What is hesitancy? When families refuse to allow their children to undergo a certain vaccine. This is an option left to the public. Therefore, awareness of certain child illnesses which can be detrimental to the growth of a child is very necessary. Several factors are there. Hesitancy is not a new phenomenon. Hesitancy has been there from before. But more or less, with this intricate approach that we now have at our disposal, the ashas going door to door, the doctors, the health providers, the MLHPs, we have a huge battalion now working on various grounds. And hence, this hesitancy now is reducing substantially. However, this is what happens when hesitancy leads to an irrevocable condition of a child.